Hey guys, welcome back to another flow. Today we are in beautiful, beautiful Joshua Tree, and we are going to do about a 15-ish minute morning, powerful, energizing, flowy, wake up kind of flow. So let's dive in, let's get moving. Meet me in a tucked toe child's pose when you're ready. We got some ants going on, that's okay. Tucking the toes here, knees hip distance apart, slide the arms out long, sinking the hips back down to the heels, melting the forehead down. And we enter our practice with some deep inhales through the nose, deep exhales out the mouth. Letting yourself just arrive here in your body, in this moment, letting your heart space soften, letting your mind start to just create some ease and some space. Inhale. Exhale. Let these first few breaths really just ground you in the moment, ground you in your body, and let you settle in. Let it feel really good. We'll take 3 more breaths just like so. Inhale here. And as we exhale, we're going to start to create some movement. As we inhale, we round out the spine to a tabletop. And then exhale, we arch it back. 2 more just like so. Inhale, rounding out. And exhale, we arch back. Inhale, we round out. And exhale, we arch back. Making it a little bit deeper. Inhale as we round out, stacking shoulders over wrists this time. Tuck the tailbone, engage the glutes, drop the hips to the floor, bend the elbows, cascade the chest and the forehead down. Keep those toes tucked. We ground down through the knees, pulling the belly button to the spine, pressing up and through that table and right back. We go for 2 more. Inhale, we round out. As we exhale, glutes engaged, tuck the tailbone, cascade front body all the way down. Inhale, pressing up and through that table. Exhale, sink back. Inhale, we round out. Exhale, drop the hips. Inhale, press it up and through that table. And exhale, sink it back. Inhale, we shoot forward, coming into that official tabletop, maybe creating a little bit more of a narrow stance, wrist under shoulders, maybe inching those knees in a bit more under hips. Cat-cow as we inhale, chest lifts, we arch the spine. And exhale, we round out. Inhale, we arch. And exhale, we round. Inhale, we arch. And exhale, we round out. Coming back through center. As we take our next inhale, we keep the left toes tucked, and we're just gonna kick that right knee straight back, hip, knee, ankle in line, point the toe. Inhale here. As we exhale, pressing out through the wrist, we hover the left knee a couple of inches off the mat. Inhale, we drop. Exhale, we lift, trying to keep the right hip, knee, ankle in line. Inhale, we drop. Exhale, we lift. Inhale, we kick back, 3-leg down dog, bend the knee, open up through the hip. And we take a few hip circles here, a few move in one way, rolling out that hip joint, and move it back the other way. From here, we re-extend, square the hips, point the toe. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, crunch in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, drop the toes down, and we swap that out for the opposite side. Little roll out the spine before we do so. Inhale, snake the spine over, high plank. Exhale, thread it back, downward facing. Inhale, snake the spine over, high plank. Exhale, thread it back, downward facing. Inhale, snake the spine over, high plank. This time, bend the knees to a hover. Inhale, press back, deep bend. Exhale, straighten out, downward facing, 2 more. Inhale, snake the spine over, high plank. Exhale, knees to a hover. Inhale, press back. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, snake the spine over, high plank. Exhale, bend the knees to a hover. Inhale, press back. Exhale, downward facing. We take a breath here, inhale. And as we exhale, we round out the spine, high plank. Drop the knees, table top, taking a little shift of the knees, side to side. Shift of the hips, rather, side to side. Coming into that left side. From here, we come back through center. Inhale, kick that left leg back. Exhale, we settle in. Inhale, we hover right knee. Exhale, we drop. Inhale, hover. Exhale, drop. Inhale, hover. Exhale, drop. This time, inhale, we kick it all the way back. 3-leg down dog. Take a breath here, inhale. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale as we kick back, bend the knee, open up through the hip. Take a few hip circles here, move in one way. And roll them back the other way. From here, square the hips, point the toe, drop the left toes down. We take an inhale here. Exhale, let it go. 3 rounds of sun A. We shift the gaze towards the front of the mat. Exhale, step, jump, hop up to those fingertips. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, let it go, forward fold. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands through center, swan dive, forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, place the palms down, step or hop back to that high plank, your vinyasa, upward facing dog. Tuck the toes, fly it back, downward facing. Inhale here. Exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale, shift the gaze towards the front of the mat. Exhale, step, jump, hop up to those fingertips. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, right back down, swan dive, forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, place the palms down, step or hop back to your high plank, moving through your vinyasa at your own timing and your own pace. 1 more round here. Inhale, shifting the gaze towards the front of the mat. Exhale, step, jump, hop up to those fingertips. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, let it go, forward fold. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, right back down, swan dive, forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, place the palms down, step or hop back to your high plank, moving through your vinyasa. Inhale here. Exhale. We're going to do a little flow series on the right side, on the left side, and then we're going to wind it down pretty quickly. As we inhale here, sweep the right leg high. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, crunch in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, crunch in. From here, we kick it back, 3-leg plank at the same time. Left knee comes to a hover. Inhale here. We've been here before. Exhale, drop the knee. Inhale, hover. Exhale, drop. Inhale, hover. Exhale, drop. Inhale, hover. This time we keep that knee hovered. Pull the right knee to right elbow. Crunch it in. Exhale, kick back. Inhale, right knee, left elbow. Exhale, kick back. Inhale, right knee to nose. As we exhale, step that right foot through, hands, reach all the way high, high crescent lunge. We land in. Inhale here. As we exhale, arms airplane by the sides. We bend the back knee, straighten the front right leg. And as we exhale, crescent, so upper body parallel to the mat, 45-degree angle from the front thigh to the chest. Inhale here, a little flow there. As we exhale, bend back knee, straighten front. Inhale, bend front knee, straighten back leg. Inhale back, exhale forward. 2 more, inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Frame the foot, step it back, high plank. Your vinyasa, upward facing. Tuck the toes, fly it back. Downward facing, we go left side. Inhale, sweep the left leg high. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, crunch in. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, crunch in. Inhale, bend right knee to a hover, kick the left leg back. Exhale, we drop the right knee down. Almost forgot where we were going for a second. Inhale, we lift. Exhale, we drop. Inhale, we lift. Exhale, we drop. Last time, inhale, we lift. Keep that right knee to a hover. Exhale, right knee, left elbow. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, left knee, right elbow. Inhale, kick back. Exhale, left knee to nose. We step it through. High crescent lunge. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. We airplane the arms by the sides. Bend the right knee. Straighten the left. As we exhale, crescent. Inhale, reverse crescent. Exhale, crescent. Inhale back. Exhale forward. 2 more, inhale back. Exhale forward. 1 more, inhale back. Exhale forward. Frame the foot, step it back, high plank. Your last beautiful vinyasa. Tuck the toes, fly it back, downward facing dog. 1 more breath here. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, we let it go. From here, we drop to the knees, wide leg child's, big toes together, knees wide, slide the arms out long, melt the forehead down, and we come back into our bodies, back into that connection to our breath. Morning practice, lots of energizing, powerful sequences, a little bit of flowiness, all things to get you here, get you out of your head and into your body. That's the goal of these practices, of you taking the time for you. For the sake of a shorter flow, I'm going to leave you here, and we're going to take 5 deep breaths together, just as we did to start. Feel free, though, to pause the video, take any final shapes you need before we land here. We're going to inhale through the nose, exhale out the mouth, let it go. 4 more. Inhale in your own breath timing. Namaste, friends. See you in the next one.